The Dodge Journey, produced from 2009 to 2020, uses programmable key fobs for keyless entry. For models before 2018, DIY programming remains a common approach. Before starting, ensure all doors are unlocked and no keys are in the ignition. First, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position with the engine off. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button on the key fob. Turn the ignition off, then back to on within 20 seconds. Repeat steps 2 and 3 for any additional fobs, but you can program up to 8 fobs. Finally, turn the ignition off and test each fob to ensure it is working. Compatibility is crucial. Ensure the replacement fob matches your Journey's year and model. Aftermarket fobs that replicate the OEM frequency of 314 MHz should also work. Key fob technology is evolving. Newer Dodge Journey models from 2018 to 2020 can pair via the My Stellantis app, offering a digital key alternative. If DIY programming fails, check for common issues like dead batteries or faulty antennas. A 2024 YouTube tutorial by Chris Fix suggests resetting the ECM by disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes for unresponsive fobs. As of 2025, Stellantis is phasing out physical fobs in favor of smartphone-based digital keys using NFC or Apple CarPlay and Auto, promising enhanced security and convenience with OTA updates. While DIY saves money, incorrect attempts can damage your car's computer. If problems persist, consult a professional.